Hello, welcome back to Know What? We all know the video of Steve Cutt's happiness in this video. It was shown the reality we all live on. Rats running in pursuit of happiness and getting caught in the money loop where they're following the same routine every day and still stuck in the same place. In this video, we'll uncover the truth. So let's help you figure out how to escape the rat race and never get sucked back in. It's not surprising that you desire to get out of the rat race. Nobody truly wants to risk their life ascending a ladder they can just try to own because of unsatisfactory income or unpleasant work situations. Furthermore, you are not just a rat. You're a brilliant individual who can achieve anything you set your mind to. What is the rat race? The rat race is a repetitive, weekly routine that involves exchanging your time for money over your whole working career. People in the rat race provide investors and business owners with their labor for a minimal financial payoff. In the world, 99% of people are either poor or middle class. Life is short. Do you want to work for 30 to 40 years, 40 hours a week? Wouldn't you rather spend your time with your loved ones? You might wish to dedicate your life to helping others. It can be more significant to have a job because it gives you a reason to get out of bed in the morning. But wouldn't it be nice if you could pick and choose when to work and play? Isn't it better to have some control over your daily activities? How do you escape the rat race? Give yourself a why. You must understand your why in order to leave the rat race. What aspect of the rat race upsets you the most? The poor wages, perhaps? Could it be that you have a boss? Or do you want to get out of the unhealthy corporate environment? Make sure the reason you choose is igniting a fire inside of you. When you're furiously angry, the largest changes in your life occur. When you start to experience these emotions, channel your rage and frustration into planning your escape from the rat race. Stop buying things. If you keep drowning yourself in more debt, there's no way for you to escape the rat race. Discard the credit card. Avoid making unnecessary purchases. Instead, purchase necessities like food and medications. Even some items on your grocery list, like bottled water when you already have tap water at home, might be eliminated. You can reinvest the money you've saved to multiply it tenfold over the long run. Pay yourself first. Paying oneself first rather than last is the key to escaping the rat race. The typical person usually takes their wage and uses it to cover all of their expenses, including their rent, phone, internet, and other costs. However, after paying all of those things, you often have very little money left over, if anything at all. Instead, you should save a particular amount from each paycheck, perhaps $100 each pay period, to pay yourself first. As a result, to increase your income, you can start a new side hustle, like freelancing. Acquire assets. Owning assets is the only way to get out of the rat race. You can increase your revenue with the help of assets. You can decide to purchase apartments or homes with a tenant paying the mortgage each month. In order to build a more flexible income, you ultimately want to invest in assets that will generate income for you each month. Pick up a side hustle. You'll need to have enough cash on hand at the bank to make purchases in order to acquire new assets. Having a side business is the most effective approach to earn money. There are several options for doing this. In order to ensure that you make money, you can start by using a trade time for money strategy. The downside to this is that time is finite. Focusing on a passive income source is an additional choice that brings you one step closer to making money work for you. Invest your money. If you don't invest your money in something that will increase your wealth, you'll never be able to escape the rat race. The biggest error people frequently make is using their emergency funds. The money should only be used to generate additional money. Your money could be used in the stock market, a new company, or real estate. Keep in mind that there is danger there in each of the three scenarios. Save money. You'll need to put some money away as you get ready to leave the job. You'll need to have money set up for investments, an emergency fund, and transition help because a lot can go wrong in those first few months. Quit your job. A significant day will come in your life when you finally leave the rat race behind. You'll leave your place of employment for the last time, breathe in some fresh air, and say, "Ah, freedom." It's a significant moment that not everyone is fortunate enough to witness. While there are some security and benefits to working in the rat race, most people eventually come to the realization that it was all a facade. We observe an increase in mass layoffs at times of crisis. Additionally, we observe that as technology develops, automation takes over more and more of human employment. Never was the rat race a secure environment. There's never real work security. You can quit the rat race and become more financially independent by using the strategies in this video, and you'll never want to give up your independence again. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.